Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. These are the Dizzo Buds P. Dizzo's first half-in-ear TWS earphones. They come in for a price of Rs 1300 and let's go ahead and check them out. As soon as you open up the box, you will find a couple of things inside. First up, you'll find the earbuds themselves in this case, and the color of this case is awesome. They've sent out this shady blue color which looks absolutely stunning in my opinion. Apart from that, you also get the USB Type-C cable. Yes, these earphones do come with USB Type-C charging, which is highly appreciated. Finally, you get some boring paperwork. Now that's about it for the box contents. I'm gonna go ahead and use these earbuds for a couple of days and then I'll get back to you guys. Alright, welcome back. So these are the Dizzo Buds P, Dizzo's first half-in-ear TWS earphones, and they are being launched for an introductory price of Rs 1300 only. That's it, 1299, and for that price, these earphones offer a lot of great features, and let's go ahead and talk about them. First up, we'll start with the design and build quality. Design of these earbuds is very minimal and aesthetically pleasing. Especially the case. The case is very minimal and compact. It's not too big, which is a very good thing. You can easily carry around the case everywhere with you. You can carry it in your pocket, bag, purse or whatever. Also, the case is matte finish. It is not glossy finish, which is a very good thing. I love matte finishes. As far as the color options go, you get 3 color options over here. You get black, white and blue. Personally, my favorite are the blue ones because they definitely stand out. Now you guys let me know your favorite color in the comment section down below. As far as the earbuds go, as I said, they are half-in-ear type and the earbuds are also very minimal looking. Now if you have been following the channel, you know that I love minimal designs and that's why I really like the Dizzo Buds P in terms of their design. Now what about comfort? So the earbuds are extremely lightweight and that's why they are comfortable as well. So when you use these earbuds for longer period of times, you won't feel any discomfort whatsoever. They are very comfortable. Also, the fit is great. Even if I move my head like this, they won't fall off. So if you are running or working out, they'll definitely not fall off. The fit is great. All in all, in terms of design, I really like the Dizzo Buds P. Next up, let's talk about battery life and charging. Dizzo Buds P offer a total battery life of up to 40 hours. Yes, 40 hours of battery life. So the earbuds themselves will give you 7 hours of battery life and along with the case, you will get 40 hours of battery life. So that is excellent. You're getting very good battery life over here. Now in my testing period, I got excellent battery life with the Dizzo Buds P. So in terms of battery, I have no issues whatsoever. Also, you get fast charging over here. You can charge these earbuds for 10 minutes and then you can listen to them for 4 hours. So fast charging is highly appreciated over here. And yes, as I said, it is USB Type-C charging, so that is sorted. This gets me to the main point and that is sound quality. How do these earbuds sound? Well, I'm happy to report that the sound quality is excellent for the price of these earbuds. The sound is very well balanced. Mids and highs are clear and there is a good amount of low end as well. So if you want that bass punch, you will get that with these earbuds. I listen to a lot of music in my day-to-day life and with the Dizzo Buds P, I had an incredible experience while listening to music. The sound quality is very good for the price of these earbuds. No issues over there. Also, they get plenty loud. In fact, most of the times you won't even listen to music at 100% volume. 70 to 80% volume level will be sufficient with these earbuds. So no complaints with the volume levels as well. Volume levels are good with these earbuds. The Dizzo Buds P have 13mm drivers and these drivers produce incredible sound quality. So yeah, sound quality wise, you are sorted with these earbuds. If you want to listen to music, podcast, watch some movies or play some games, you are sorted because the sound quality is really good. Now talking about gaming, you do get a dedicated gaming mode. Basically in the gaming mode, the latency will be very low. So if you're playing something like BGMI or Call of Duty, the latency will be very low and you can hear all your surrounding sound effects. This is a very good feature and I'm glad that Dizzo is introducing this feature for the price of Rs 1300. That is an excellent thing, like trust me on that. This gets me to touch controls. You do get touch controls with these earbuds. For example, you can double tap to play or pause the music, triple tap to go to the next track, previous track, and you can customize these touch controls via the Realme Link app. So yeah, you can download the Realme Link app and via that app you can control these earbuds. You can change the sound mode. You have a couple of sound modes. You can go ahead and play around with that. You can also turn on or turn off gaming mode and you can change touch controls as well. So if you want to customize touch controls to your liking, then you can do that via the Realme Link app. Also, if these earbuds ever get a firmware update, then that can also be done via the Realme Link app. That is excellent. These earbuds are also IPX4 rated. Basically, you don't have to worry about sweat or water splashes with these earbuds. So when you're working out or running, don't worry about these earbuds getting damaged. Now this is a very quick mic test of the Dizzo Buds P. It comes with ENC, which is called as environmental noise cancellation. Basically when you are on a call, you will get very good noise cancellation with these earbuds. Now I feel that the audio quality is very good. You guys let me know what do you think about it in the comment section down below. To sum it all up, for the price of rupees 1300, Dizzo has done a great job with these earbuds. The design is minimal and aesthetically pleasing, you get very good battery life, and the sound quality is top notch. So if you are looking for earbuds under 1500 rupees, then you should definitely consider the Dizzo Buds P. I will make sure to drop a link to them in the description box below. So anyway, that's been it. This was my review of the Dizzo Buds P. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.